Alright guys, so tonight I'm going to be doing heated seats in these new seats I have for my 68 Bug. It's a fairly simple job. You just have to feel comfortable about tearing your seats apart. It's not that hard, at least with these seats they're not. Other seats they may be a little harder, but this happens to have Velcro on this back section, so I can just peel it off back and put my top heated seats in this whole back section. That's easy enough. Run the wires down to whichever side it is, whether it's passenger or driver's side. You want to try to keep your wires neat, so I'm going to actually run both my wires down the center channel in the Bug. So this will actually be towards the door. I'm going to run my wires towards the other side. So the bottom's a little more difficult. I wish it was the same where you can just peel it up from the side and do that. But unfortunately, you'll have to flip the seat over on its back, and then you'll need to take some rings off. They look similar to okay, so you're gonna need to be taking some rings off that look similar to this. Okay, you'll just take some cutter pliers, cut them off, and you're gonna basically remove your whole bottom section. If you feel, this actually has a seam here. I can actually feel the rings in there, just enough holding it down. That's what we're going to remove, and then I'll put the bottom pad on with the wire going towards the corner over there. So let's take a look at the kit that I got. It happens to be off of Amazon. I do a lot of my shopping on Amazon. So anyways, it came with 4 pads, roughly the length of the bottom, okay, and then the length of the top. So that's what it's going to look like inside of the seat, okay. Of course, the wires will be going off to the side that does not have the lever. So this kit comes with everything you need. Pretty straightforward. Comes with switches for high, low, and off, okay. Since I'm running 2, you're going to have 2 full setups. Here's another switch for the other side. Okay, it comes with a relay and a fuse. Okay, so you just wire this up to whatever switch or power source, excuse me, that you want to wire it up to. So this kit comes with everything you need, directions. The only thing it does not come with are those D-rings that I showed you here. Oh, where are you going to find it? Does not come with those, so you may need to go to automotive store and get that and the plier to pinch it. I know it doesn't seem like much, but there's actually a groove in those pliers that help pinch that ring. So you'll need both of those. Anyways, so let's get going on tearing it down. All right. So it's obviously a lot easier to pull your seats out of the vehicle. In this case, I have not installed them yet, so it makes it really simple for me. So anyways, I got it here. It's on the actual box that I bought the seats in. I'm going to go ahead and cut these rings off, pull the back off. I'll slide this through. The only reason why I'm doing the back is because the wires are going to go through it. So you can do the front or the back. Doesn't matter as long as you get the seats back to where they were looking like stock. So anyways, let's get those cut off, and I'll pull that. came out all right. Can't even tell it's behind the seat. There's a couple bulges down at the bottom there, but that just looks like it's going to be normal. So yeah, pretty pleased with it. So thanks guys for watching. So guys, we're actually going to get this installed in the vehicle here, and I'll wire it all up and finish it up for you here shortly.